Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make rainbow color text on Discord. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser, and then you have to go to the website called texttrick.com and then click on the Discord color text, which is on the top of the website. And then you have to type in any message or any text. Now to make this text rainbow, what you have to do is select a set of colors. For instance, I will select all the colors in the list. So this will be the pattern. If you want to change the pattern, you can select the sequence of your own choice. Now, once you select the pattern, what you have to do is select the text you have just written and simply click on apply button. For instance, discard a color. You can select the color and it will be discarded. Click on apply again, and this is the new version without the color you have deselected. And simply click on copy for Discord. Open Discord app, paste in your text, hit enter. And that's simply how you can make rainbow text on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.